Let's discuss about the stack column chart, wherein we want to compare different contributions, right, of a value to the total. So for example, over here, we have different years, 5 years over here of data of North sales and South sales, right? And we want to have it visually represented in the chart below. So you can see here, right? So for example, if we pick year 2013, right, North sales looks to be bigger as compared to the South sales. And it's even bigger over here in 2012, right? And then the South area over here, the South sales, the red portion over here is very, very small. Okay, so this is what we're after, right? And one thing to note of is for the year, we need to make sure that this column is treated as a text, right? Not a numerical value. Because if this is a number, then what Excel will do is it will include that in computing the total amount, right, for each row over here. We don't want that to happen. So to make sure that this doesn't happen, we just add an apostrophe over here, right? So that it gets treated as text. So you could see on the years now, there's the apostrophe in front of it. Okay, so what we'll do now is let's just delete this. Let's create our chart over here. Okay, so let's select the table first. Let's go to Insert, Recommended Charts, All Charts, and then make sure that column is selected. And let's look for the stack column. Now, let's have a look, right? This one is by year, so that's looking good. If we select the second one, it's different, right? It's using the North and South, but we want the years over here. So make sure the first one is selected, go OK. And just that, we already have our stack column chart over here. So let me just delete the title, don't need this. Then you could go to Chart Tools, Design, and just pick a different way of representation on whatever looks good on your end. And with that, your stack column chart is complete.